Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video, we'll be solving this indefinite integral question. So we have integral of x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 over x into bracket x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 dx. So we have options. Option A, we have log BC of x, which also means the natural log of x. We have log BC of x plus 2 arctan of x. We have log BC of 1 over x squared plus 1. We have log BC into bracket x, then multiply by x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. So what is the correct option? Okay guys, so let's dive into the solution. So we want to solve this integral. So you'll be thinking of splitting this into partial fraction, but I'm not splitting. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to expand the numerator. So if I expand the numerator, we have the numerator, which is x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So if I expand this, so this will be x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Then if you open the bracket, x multiplied by x will give us x raised to the power of 2. Then plus x multiplied by 1 will give us x. Then plus 1 multiplied by x will give us x. Then plus 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. So this will be x raised to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 1. So which can also be written as x raised to the power of 2 plus 1, then plus 2x. Okay, so that is the numerator. So I'm going to write this integral as follows. So then we have integral of x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 plus 2x then over x, then into bracket x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 dx. So we can apply linearity. So if we apply linearity, we are going to have integral of x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 then over x into bracket x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 dx, then plus integral of 2x over x into bracket x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 dx. And then we can see that x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 we cancel out x raised to the power of 2 plus 1, and here x will cancel out x. So what you have now is integral of 1 over x dx, then plus integral we can bring out this 2 because a constant, 2 multiplied by integral of the x then over x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. And don't forget that if you integrate 1 over x, we are going to have a natural log of x, okay, then plus 2, then multiply by integral of the x over x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. So if you integrate this, you are going to get arctan of x, okay. Integral of the x over x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is arctan of x. I already solved this in my video. You can check it out. I will you see the link in the description so that you can watch how to integrate the x over x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will give us arctan of x. Then we have log base ex then plus 2 multiplied by arctan of x then plus c. So that is the answer to that question. So the correct option is option B. That's how you integrate this kind of integral. Do you understand? Alright guys, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment and share. See you next time.